Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A20s, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. Now for this you will need a cable, so you can plug it into your computer. So I'm going to quickly unravel this one and connect it. There we go. So once you have the cable ready, we can just plug it in. From here, I'm going to swipe down, select our power button, and then we're going to choose restart. Once the phone turns off, so once this disappears, you want to hold power key and volume up, so both of the keys. I'm going to let go of the power key, and there we go. As you can see, it takes us to recovery mode. So that is how you boot into recovery mode. Now in this mode you will need to use volume keys to navigate through the options. So volume down obviously goes down and up goes up. And then power key will be used to confirm whatever selected. Now quickly going over the options that we have access to, we have reboot system now as the first option, which takes us back to Android. Then we have reboot to bootloader, which takes us to fast boot mode, because there is no bootloader here. We have apply updates from ADB, SD card, wipe data or cache partition, mount system, view logs, run tests, power off or repair apps. So there we go. I'm gonna stick with the first option and I'm gonna confirm it, and this will, like I mentioned before, take me back to Android. And there we are. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.